Now let's talk a little bit about the BitMinder feature. One problem with an on-car lathe like this is often multiple technicians are using the same lathe. So when I'm a technician and I walk up to this lathe, I don't know the condition of those bits. Bits do wear out, they need to be replaced, but how long have those been used, I have no idea. So if I'm a conscientious tech, I might rotate them every time, but that's wasteful. That's going to cost us a lot of extra money. Or the alternative is I just start cutting and see what happens. Well, then I risk making a bad cut because the bits have outlived their useful life or they needed to be turned and they weren't. So that's what BitMinder is for. So to access BitMinder, I'm going to press the BitMinder button here on the screen, and you'll see this here. And basically, it's going to show you the number of rotations remaining. So in this case, I've selected it because I'm using round bits. And round bits can be turned about 6 times. Now, if we want to turn it 4 times or 3 times, that can also be set up as default. But in this case, it's set up for 6 rotations. And it's set up to monitor the cut time. And I'm saying I want 12 minutes per cut. If I make more aggressive cuts, I can change that in settings as well. But for now, it's set up as that. And I want to tell it that I want to go ahead and rotate the cutting bits. So it shows me what I need to do, loosen the little Torx head screws, turn the bit 60 degrees, and I'm going to confirm that I've done that. Now you notice it decreased the bit rotations remaining by 1 because I told it that I did it. But now it's reset the cut timer again to 12 minutes. So we're ready to go. Now, for some reason, let's say I broke one of these bits, I rammed it into the hat of the rotor. I could tell it that I want to replace the bit. I'm going to confirm that, and you notice it goes back to 6 rotations remaining. Okay? I also have the ability to look at the history of the bits, and it can tell me how many bits I've used, total number of cuts, things like that, some useful information. So that's the BitMinder feature. BitMinder is going to watch your bit life for you and make sure that you're using them as efficiently as possible.